Now let's go back to the software. The most basic thing that you can get, and I really recommend if you're new to sound recording, is to get Audacity. So this is small and free program that exists both for Windows and Linux, and maybe for Macintosh too, but I'm not familiar with Macintosh, so I will talk only for Linux and Windows. In my case, this is Windows 7 and this is Audacity. So, as I said, very small and free program. Just get it and basically you're ready to go, because the settings of the program are nothing special. So just one thing that I did is that I went into Edit and Preferences, and here on the channels I set channels to 2 because I wanted to record stereo signal from my drum machine. And now we are ready to go. So what you need to do to record your audio performance, just click record and then play and you will see the result. Okay, now Audacity is recording. I will play the machine now. As you can see, Audacity is successfully recording audio signal from my drum machine. What you see on your screen is the sound wave of the both left and right channel. So this is stereo recording real time. When you are finished, just click the stop on your machine and then stop Audacity. And then you're done. So what you can do from this point is that you can edit the audio in any way you want, because Audacity is full of some basic effects which do the job. First thing that you will probably do is that you will cut what is into the beginning. So this is silence, I don't need it. I just do remove audio, cut. And finally I go to the end and do the same procedure. Very important tips when you need to record your audio. So first, don't push the volume of your input too high. Why? Now let's record everything again to demonstrate you why you have to be careful with the volume of the audio. Okay, play. Now, observe the two volume meters here. They should never go to the maximum. They should even not go much into the red zone. So you can adjust the volume of your musical instrument, or if you have a mixer, the volume of your mixer, to adjust the volume of the overall mix. So right now I lower the volume, but what happens if you put it too much? And this is what happens. So what you see is that the audio volume is too high, and what happens is that it goes beyond the boundaries And later when you play it, the result would be that the audio would sound distorted and would sound like crap. So that's why when you play, carefully adjust your audio volume to the point that it will be maybe a little bit into the yellow and red zone, which is like 75% of the volume indicators there, but never goes to the max. So now let's adjust the volume. Okay, now that's better. As you can see, now the volume looks better. Sometimes clipping may occur on places that you will not see because they would be somewhere ahead in the melody. So that's why don't push the volume too high. Of course, if you are not happy with the volume, if it's too low, this is not good, so be sure to be just a little bit over 50%. And later, first thing that you will do after you cut your samples, would be to normalize your samples. What this means. Now let me show you. Okay, so what is normalization? Normally when you record an audio, it would be with a certain volume, but as I said, nobody pushes the volume to the max because the sound would sound distorted. So later you would probably want to push at later stage the audio volume a little bit higher, but since this is a careful process, better use the built-in function into most programs called normalization. Normalization would boost carefully the volume of your audio near to the max, as high as possible without causing distortion. So Audacity also have a normalization. So let's see, where is it? Okay, so to normalize your audio in Audacity, here is what you need to do. So first, with Ctrl A, I'm selecting the entire audio. Then I go to Effect. And then I go to Normalize. Here it offers me to input how much I want to normalize the maximum amplitude of the sound wave. You can adjust that setting. When you're happy with the result, click OK. And usually it will boost the maximum volume of your sound a little bit. In my case, it's enough because this is how I want it. And you're done. This is your recording. From here, what you can do is you can save it as Audacity project. Personally, I just export it as a WAV file. So in File, you click Export, or if you want to export just a small portion, you select it with the mouse and you click Export Selection, and you type the name of the WAV file, or if you want it into another format, you can choose MP3 or FLAC, whatever you want. You type a name, you click Save, and you're done. This is how, very quickly, you can record audio into your computer. How to record audio with Cubase. So I have Cubase AI5 right now. I will not go into details with Cubase because personally I'm not very familiar with this program. But I will show very quickly how to just record your performance. So this is the basic screen of Cubase, and from here I press Ctrl N to open a new project. So the project assistance menu opens. I choose an empty template and I just click create. Then it shows me project setup screen, and here what I choose is just CD quality, so 44 kHz 16-bit record format WAV file. This is the setting that I need. Honestly, I don't need 48 kHz for now, so I just click OK. And here we are into the new empty project. So here I click with the right click, add audio track, and what I do is I just add a new audio track in which I can record my audio. So yes, in this case this is a mono track, but you can open a new stereo track. So this is just a demonstration. So here you have the controls, here is the record. You click record, you're ready to go. You start play. Okay. As you can see, we have successfully recorded audio in Cubase. When you're ready, you can save your project. If you just want to grab the WAV files, you can press Ctrl P, which brings the pool. You can click on the plus on the audio to extend the audio, and what you see here are all of your audio recordings for this project. So you can just rename them to something more convenient by simply clicking once here, and they are temporarily saved into your project folder, which you can see here. So you can go there, grab your audio files, and simply forget about Cubase later if you don't need it. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer you. So remember that you need an audio interface, or if you just want to record your synthesizer, you have a USB port. Check if your USB port also transmits audio, or is it just a MIDI data USB port. If it's just a MIDI data, then you need one of these. So you're ready to go. If your synthesizer have built-in audio interface and your USB port serves also as an audio port, then you don't need an audio interface. Just put the cables into the USB cable into your synthesizer and then into the laptop. But the classic way is you have the audio output to your audio interface, or as in my case, to the mixer, and then to the audio interface, and finally into the laptop, and you record the audio that way. This is how I personally like to do it, because the mixer gives me a little bit more control over the audio part, and in my case this mixer also does have built-in effect processor, which I use in some cases. So that's it. Zach, if you have more questions, just tell me, drop a comment, I will answer. And hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.